Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on Apple Pay and get a refund. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Tap on the card you used to Apple Pay, scroll down and see your recent transaction. Tap the charge you want to dispute to open the transaction detail. Tap report an issue or report a problem. Your iPhone may take your to Apple Refund page link to the Apple App Store. Sign in with your Apple ID IAM. Select why you want a refund, such as you don't authorize the purchase, you don't receive what you paid for, the purchase was accidental, then submit your request. If you don't see a refund option, you can contact Apple support directly. They will receive the transaction and guide you through the next step. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.